What if the smartest way to use AI isn't just about downloading the latest tools, but about integrating it intelligently into your daily work routine? AI holds the power to boost productivity by hours every week, but only if it's utilized the right way. Stay tuned as we explore the most common mistakes people make with AI and share proven tips on how to use it effectively in your everyday tasks. This simple shift in approach can truly be a game changer. Let's kick things off with some eye-popping stats. McKinsey estimates that generative AI could contribute $2.60 to $4.40 trillion to the global economy each year. However, here's the catch. Despite all the buzz, most people aren't reaping these benefits. In fact, a study by Gartner reveals that only 1 in 50 AI investments actually result in transformational value. Sound familiar? The root of the issue is clear. Too many are focusing on the wrong things, chasing after tools instead of solving real problems. The breakthrough here? It's not the AI itself that drives productivity. It's how AI is seamlessly integrated into existing workflows. AI thrives when it complements what's already working, not when it's tacked on as an afterthought. If a workflow is disorganized, AI will only accelerate the chaos. The key is to first streamline your process, and then bring AI into the mix. Here's the exciting part. A few smart steps can transform AI into the ultimate productivity tool. The following 7 rules for using AI productively will revolutionize any routine. Rule 1. Fix your workflow first, then add AI. AI can't fix chaos. If the workflow is all over the place, adding AI will just speed up the madness. Before diving into AI, systems need to be organized. The real magic happens when AI enhances a clear, streamlined process. Start by mapping out weekly tasks. Identify the time-consuming ones that don't require creative input, and apply AI there. Research shows that this can save you an average of 3.5 hours per week. In some cases, employees can free up to 20 hours a week. Think about that. 20 extra hours to do the meaningful, high-impact work that only humans can do. By focusing on areas where AI provides the most value, it becomes a true asset. This strategic integration is what turns AI from a tool into a productivity powerhouse. Rule 2. Think like a head chef, not a line cook. AI isn't a magic button that you press all day. The smartest AI users act like head chefs, not line cooks. As a head chef, one doesn't just throw everything into the pot and hope it works. Instead, define the menu. Know exactly what outcome is needed before using AI. Instead of saying, "Help me write something," be specific. Draft the first section of this client report using these 3 sources in a professional tone under 500 words. Next, design the line. Decide what tasks AI will handle and which ones remain with humans. Not everything should be automated. Your judgment, creativity, and unique perspective are irreplaceable. Finally, always check the output. Even the best AI can mess up, and when it does, the consequences can be costly. Make sure AI-generated content meets your standards and reflects your voice. AI is a great helper, but your expertise is what makes the work stand out. Rule 3. Know where AI actually saves time. AI isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. To make AI work for you, focus on the tasks where it really makes a difference. McKinsey's research identifies areas where AI can save significant time, such as writing, research, meeting management, and data analysis. AI can save 30 to 50% of the time spent drafting emails and reports, and it can help with deep research, summarizing documents, finding patterns, and synthesizing information. The result? More time for creative and strategic work that moves the needle. By targeting these key areas, AI helps reduce the routine tasks that eat up valuable time, allowing more focus on work that requires human innovation. Rule 4. Build a focused AI stack. Stop downloading every new app. This one might be controversial. Fewer AI tools are better. While the temptation to download every new shiny app is strong, it's a huge productivity killer. The time spent managing apps, learning new interfaces, and copying and pasting content between tools will quickly cancel out the time savings. Instead, focus on a small, highly integrated stack of AI tools. Start with a core AI assistant like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini for writing, research, and brainstorming. Add a couple of workflow tools like AI-enhanced task managers and meeting note tools. If automation is necessary, use something like Zapier to connect tools. That's it. 3 layers of tools. Anything beyond that just add complexity and slows down progress. A focused AI stack is key to getting the most out of these tools without drowning in options. Rule 5. Get better at prompting. The real obstacle to AI productivity isn't the technology, it's how people use it. Most are still stuck with basic prompts that don't deliver the best results. To unlock AI's full potential, prompts need to be specific and detailed. Instead of asking, write a report, give clear instructions. Write a 500-word report on this topic in a professional tone using these 3 sources. The more specific the instructions, the better the output. Also, don't settle for the first draft. Treat AI-generated content as a starting point, refine it, and improve it. For complex tasks, break them down into smaller steps and feed them to AI incrementally. Thoughtful prompting leads to better results. The right prompt can unleash AI's true potential and make the workflow smoother. Rule 6. Protect your breaks. This is not optional. Here's a critical tip. AI doesn't replace the need for breaks. UC Berkeley's research found that workers who filled every free minute with more AI tasks sacrificed their breaks, social connections, and ultimately their productivity. It's crucial to protect personal time. AI might save time, but that extra time shouldn't be filled with more tasks. Use it for a walk, a coffee break, or a chat with a colleague. Taking breaks may not feel productive in the moment, but research shows it makes everything else you do sharper and more intentional. Regular breaks not only reduce burnout, but also improve long-term productivity and job satisfaction. When AI allows for more efficient work, it's easy to feel the pressure to fill every moment with additional tasks. However, this can lead to burnout and a decrease in quality. Taking moments to step away from work gives both the mind and body a chance to refresh. This recharge improves focus, boosts creativity, and enhances overall well-being. When you take the time to rest, you return to tasks with renewed energy, making each session even more productive than the last. Burnout is a real risk if breaks are neglected. AI helps get tasks done faster, but true productivity comes from balanced time management. Making time for rest and reflection is just as essential to performance as using the latest tools. Rule 7. Treat AI agents like new team members. AI is evolving fast. Agents like OpenAI's Operator and Anthropic's Claude Code can now execute tasks autonomously, from browsing websites to making purchases and running code. While this is exciting, it also comes with responsibility. Like any new team member, AI agents need governance. Set clear boundaries, define what they can and can't do, and establish approval workflows. These steps ensure that AI stays aligned with your standards and objectives. Start with low-risk tasks and review everything before it goes live to prevent costly errors. Even if AI is doing the work, your professional reputation is on the line, so always keep an eye on the output. As AI becomes more autonomous, the oversight required will grow, making it even more important to stay engaged in the process. Proper oversight ensures AI remains a productive and safe member of the team, maximizing its value while mitigating potential risks. The smartest people in 2026 aren't those who use the most AI tools. They're the ones who are deliberate in their use. They've refined their workflows, integrated AI thoughtfully, and used it to free up time for the things that truly matter. By applying these 7 rules, you can transform the way AI enhances productivity and creativity in daily work. Remember, AI isn't a tool that solves problems on its own. It's the way you implement it that determines success. Start slow, integrate it wisely, and see the results for yourself. Start implementing these rules today and share your journey with us. How are you using AI to boost your productivity? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering AI. Let's unlock AI's full potential together.